Hey there everyone, I'm just about to open up this timing belt kit that I purchased for the Volvo V40 that I'm working on. Just thought I'd bring you along and we'll see what's in here. Okay, this is it's manufactured by SKF. It's part number VKMC06604. It's a full timing belt set including water pump, belt, idler and tensioner. It's suitable for Volvo and Renault, made in France. Contains quality products manufactured or purchased by SKF. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Okay. You've got the timing belt here, made in Germany. If any of you are at all familiar with timing belts and changing them, you'll probably recognise the typeface on that, if not the colouring. Can't be absolutely sure, but I'd have a good guess that's a Contitech belt, Continental. Okay, next we've got the tensioner roller here. It's all metal construction, no plastic on the roller. That is, tensioner is marked SKF, made in France. I'll just have a look at the bearing here, see if you can see any markings on it. Yep. The bearing itself is actually marked as SKF. It's nice smooth bearing, very solid, good. Okay, we've got the idler pulley. Again, all metal construction, no plastic. Again, SKF, made in France. And the bearing is also self-marked SKF. A little sticker there put on the car to indicate when the belt was changed. I've already filled that in for my vehicle. And lastly, we have the water pump, which is made in Spain. Okay, again, the water pump is marked as SKF. It has a date stamp of January 18. As of filming, the date is March 2019. It's all metal construction, metal impeller. Not able to actually see the bearing, but it's tight and smooth, very good. We have water pump bolts. Just a word of warning on these Volvo petrol engines, the thickness of the water pump changed at some point, or at least it certainly did on the P80 series cars. So just be careful that the bolts you have are appropriate to your water pump. A lot of water pumps are supplied without bolts, and if you get the thinner one and try to reuse bolts that go with an original pump, you'll find they're a little bit too long, and you can actually bottom them out before they'll tighten against the water pump, so keep an eye for that. Last but no means least, we have a paper gasket to go with the new water pump. So I hope some of you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in another one.